Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Wabi lekete, waya bebawu, wabohia, waya dodo. Zebe emniga trane. Zebe mne niga trane ni mula dia ban ni taban. Ezuo nu wazuo be social media ni mamie ero ni mami begiro okpagi noti mari ege nu wanu wayazuo. Uonu ya gmonwe titi na gmonwe imi henwe okeke ni ahen waye mi no ma eni ahun waye zuo ruda ezuo e wazuo na ona ege tu wado bui made oge nu wado ya zuo mama no beto kpano ikedo 17 ni 17 na imameke ni yomo na zuo de iyomo iga zuo imamio de obuwa na domio do wa we frustrate we no taye depression hin agbo wa awuwo wa o te keke nu wa to buwa create mi opa na gbo wa eba na do azu of social media we understand if you do ezuo wazuo so wa esowo ezuo nu wazuo wa esowo wi hu edo ima sowo ezuo nu wazuo na miero. You people are thinking that we too wa wona mi we too wa rain. We wa wona mi we wa too much igbe. We wa wona mi we ri wa gijeru wa ye. Wa ma re ezuo or ye begiwa. We understand? Ezuo no hwa or ye begiwa. Venu wa wazuo na afia maro. O ba take ke ni ma mi egbe degbe ma kan ya mi ezuo be social media bu wa ni vie do so. Yi kan ti ka wi vie do ya. I vie do so. Ruda, there are still many weirdos. No, ye de responsible. We understand. Mo go odogu akataka. Animal we no the fear lion. Wara izuo fone. Waya fefefe izuo waya fefefe. Wa do kante ere. Edi mo fi rona zuwa. Anaba we to buma dole doyi. Ama ego zuwa no. Nokba were mane ni ati nokba noro oni na bezuwa ana we to gbe madole doyi wana afa le gbu wawa amage tu wazuo ba be ti in happen very many of them whatever in ana ladin on the social media in ana dozuo ana we tin azuwa na ni wana de gbe build another once again ave me mo be another crazy people una come build another crazy people come again in another dozua aka no ku agikpa ve tuvunu oku oba ko eye ne edela tanebe bagmo la dianve huene o yezu of social media ganya ne kpuwe la dianve ni bie kamawu. You people are mad people. Ogun kin agbelu wa ya fefefe wa o wa do ate unya live video presenter wo wa present wo he wa do amu mama do wa gwa lodo wa tamima wa agwale ki ano be free wa beta aga feel gi wa through internet infrared a bluetooth wa bit a DHL ma ti be post le DHL ave ki ade gbe oho doni wa gwa lo no wa ya do azu of social media do azu ori ebegi wa na mo enana mi yo men owo iye no wewe ni wo efilo iye no ko common of UK irukai wo anywhere uwe ni wo efilo wo be ije nu kokom of UK wa adam ho we no ko na wa dagi pa se na wa bere we no ko na wa dagi pa se na agipa okwo na we no wa dagi pa wa se na this woman goy we no wa dagi pa se na do magi ka mu wewere lapi we gbi hu ere lapi we ma wona ve no ko na wa dagi pase na we ayesa do ka mi ma we ro wodo you are a mad woman iji mega azu obe na ni ye beti gbe wa bere ijo managbon na kina person mama na be this you are a mad woman. You understand? I don't fucking care to know no ima oni he o manu wa bo egba ba gbe wo Oma no ba we bo oma nu wa mu gbina wa magbina wa mama gi wa hu social media wa sie mini koto. Wa mama gi wa hu social media. We did not send it in any making us you. Do come here we need calm down. We not send una message for social media. We not know una before. We not send una mona come advise us because una not be our advisor. We not know una take day. All of una on our day una body. Ruda zuo wazuo zuo wayakin. We understand. People wanna want advice better pass una. Understand? Low that see my friend. Low Emanu wa do advice in mass or wa. Emanu wa do advice in menwas or wa. Emanu wa do advice in wa do Google on social media. They are more than you people. They are greater than you people. Don't work here do advice. I can know back where you very ana. Who la jam social media. Who do get buwe amama ruda wa ma gear we stress ma kiru ekebe. Or ruo nya or ruo lapi or ruo this thing. Or zuo wa yakin. Who wa ho hoa. Iji mega try nonsense now. I swear to Almighty God, a bet ya yak belawa. Ah, mama, he go try and I go use bet beat him. A bit is up by Kaladia, and the only daggy pass and York and carry of 22 years on our Morovia. Rudare Oswald of the social media. Is war, no? That is what Maria Begier. If you can create the social media do Arovio. We understand. Vavetie, inya bunverio, there many like that. Avi huo bani, inya wa bunverio. Veni yaya jeni ya reria ya agbunu yo. Gwa mi ume mo ugo odogun ogun ogbeluwaya. Then any na veladian. Rudatu was the social media bieka gie. And you people supposed to be where why ma beg na we mama agree to now. Mama agree to now. My lawyer agree to mama. Ije me wa talk be mommy wa talk be mommy yo. But one of the who have the social media to the essence of tibia carry gie rove you wa. To the essence of Ibieka gie rove you wa. All in the name of this social media na. Manado miewe os avezuo na ladiana rafi pegedo. Wana mwe dogboto. Evino hama gerere madame de Rudatu was the social media wana so afi pegedo. O ma ladian the social media wi ya mwe budoza yan agwo regwa. Yan agwo refense egwa bege ni. O ma zuo ladian the social media ga oba look my eye. This same social media na emenado miewe ovi oha okpia oga rovio ruan o tie bo no ruan o tie bo ne mani yohuo ne din akwedije ninu huo ne man o ga rovi yan imu gbe o imu ebo imu mi ya fo ga mu gbian. Same social media na emenado miewe oviera ovijeri bayela lagegbe unhwe social media na rude me na ta megbe na mi wa ma he gbe ba o ama mi egbe face to face ai gari bebo gegbe rude to wazo the social media wa ya fefefe izuo wazo na ogun hin agbeluwa why do pretend why we to we pretend why do pretend we to wa bo ma de aka we no ku oba ku ye wu abo ma de we do mo lapu we for the social media na gbon we mi abere we no hin no wan se ni we no dagi pa se ni yo bio. If I am your son, or I am bio because we say no be men. You when you if you I don't fucking care to know your name. Man, anywhere, son. Even at your philosophers, where I'm working. Anywhere, son, even I was worried. Or I will be me, naga of you where. Inaga of where. Ina me ben no sense in social media. Yagbo, mommy, I go beat you. Yaze ye beti buwe. Ije meti zuo veri ana. Ije me damu omone. Ame mono biele na. Yes na. Yagbo egbe. I go to beat you. My mom cannot perform that stupidity. We understand. My mother cannot perform that stupidity. Wala dian. Udo work buwe wa. Oye kekere na ga begari akon we are we to we are do advisable. You want to challenge person. We lad yan vedo we je no ko come of UK we to do bue ma dey. Eruyare we to do bude from ude na ila saga. Mad people everywhere. Who wa agwo wa. waya fefe vinu waya kyokyo be live video vinu waya zuwa be live video zuwa ni wakin azuwa ni biyo ruda from year to year my bege mi opa ni ma gain ni wobuwa my bege mi opa ni ma learn ni wobuwa my bege lesson ropa do wa teach wobuwa o ma gbera do abulovira aga abuloviye ado abulovira ado abul who be this one so you dey beat your mom come let me tell you my mama I no dey take am play with person and my mama no fit perform that stupidity wey pe come go carry ekpu wey aladian iye mi adamo ya agbe iwa we bet you iya mo mama no try am you understand and mama no fit dey stupid like that make it come mama come out for video come dey chill iji me na ye gwan na ye gbe buba rapa orun I beg o era me ni opa ge won yeah, not try ask that question again. So only now we bolo fuaba. My people, from year to year, from month to month, from week to week, we not get anything we would learn from our hand. You know, pass message to Monica, message to Lolo, message to Ivienivie, message to Nokba, message to the other one. There are many people who are doing better things on social media. Why we watching Yamawe? Watch Avis war. Monica gwokin agbera agbiyu e Monica gwokin agbo e Timothy gwokin agbera agbiyu gwokin agbo an togun ni agbe Nokpa gwokin agbera agbiyu gwokin an ogun aginigele ogele gbele yan wan by one then waga eti ogun ne gbu wa fo ne wenu wana tian ba zen ne gie ni waga izuo ne be live video giason gie bi wadu apin no magino to na zun wa gbelu wa e wa gbonu wa oho wa manu wari egbu wa le e social media na ladian ne wa ni bi edo zuo ne be social media e mana do mi ni yupo ye yupo ogwe secret ya no go edo ya fefefe e musician ma bebe do to waro bi ya o wa zanzin ya ogo riro artist ma bebe do wa zanzin ya o waro bi ya ogo riro oye yi ya segbe odogu no wa ozwo panogun ye gbiye sorry ye gbiya ye gbiye ozwo panogun ye gbiye oko liban so we understand me I can imagine why la jam a live video I be mi opa from year to year I mi opa nu wa be ri la dian we o be make sense nu o ma gbera ogun ki agbera ogun ogbiyu e ogun ogbe nopa ogun ogbe nopa eri erin agbete wuwe na ya aven bo be gba be do erin agbete wuwe we ya fefefe bete gba na mo ebo gbe be do uwa ya ahoho wa bozwa eba bo fiekunle lo wa ya fefefe part 2 3 na the mad na God go punish all of una papa punish all of una mama as na say una no wan mo na dey respect una self una no wan mo na respect Bini ibieka gie ve do state vegeni we are toasting verima we na toasting we be e bana be we be iye iwa rukmon ize rukmon we rukmon we do kin rere na we agun ya kwa se fiyan ye yobo gbalegbe waga agwege ni gwiwe dowe onya nekpu heladian oga anya nekpu we social media beno na iwa unabo no kwo ba hwe ye iri wa unabo dogonu wagirie ne dona dogonu wagirie ne egbu wana the lesson wagi tishina de minu wagi wena de minu wagi una everything eya wari ya and all this is wa una ibie ka take ki e o wa ne ni wan amerin agbetebuwe erin agbetebuwe ame wa agbetebe kia wariya mi ya wa fo egbe ya kulwa wa bo fiekun le luwa wa bozwa obera re social media o vai wewa obi juwe re social media o vai wewa o ron re social o vai wewa o ti o run anu o vai wewa anybody at all e vale ai mi wa no siwa ai mi wa no giwa ya hin ai mi wa no leluwa ai mi wa negi wa bully we social media ai mi wa negi wa gugun a egbewe na o me mo pa no call me ban o me ni wa mo bo kin o wa call me ye go me no because o my mi no sunu na date me o we yes sunu. And moreover, this was one no calling me now. You mean you're calling me once at a time on where the movie fight human trafficking. No, not human trafficking, you know. Where the movie magbena human trafficking again. I attack. Where the movie yala jam me human trafficking must stop. You're gbena human trafficking. One. And number two. Wani we have anywhere area the movie gbina human trafficking. Wani wa mubo wa mu eveni because you are lazy. No bana wagege do gbina bana lade. Ya lu no bana wagege do gbona lade. Gege do gbina bana lade. We no kefi. Moi par 21 06 06 06 13 93. Good. So, well, not say because you are lazy. When you say we are not lazy, where are you go because omani no you go muware ni. Do ya kungo ni. Ari muware de wagiswa toaste ni no mane. Neno abihun small guys nene guess na muredi ne wagi toast ya ne wanati no pay no go do that one no go do this one no pay umati ozo igo nuya hasa no okwu nuwe toast onu gugun ege no opportunity they say me they no pay ge yare. Then when they worry by you with the no pay, give soon one or do I go video? If I boy fear lazy youth, lazy tap. Look me where a reserve person we woman they take care of. Wa go avagmo agbelo wa pai. On na be bolofua. Live video presenter, I do live video presenter. One thing we just want or we like. We just prefer more and not the talk for live video again. We just prefer say Mona just stop live video, Mona no dey do live video again. Ma wa like egbe video. Una wa tigele wa stop. Why wa stop? Why you will live video? Ya ti like egbe ni. Egbe video ni why wa stop? Why you will live video? Ma like egbe. Because I mean what I make sense. O ma gbera gbe yado anya na ekpo we social media. And ina bi ago mi bi ageban. Ni ma be boy me ga taban. Imagine if Igbo na iga luwa ni bi edo yan wini wadu anya na ekpuwe ma yan be social media wadu anya na ekpuwe wadu afile mi leluhe wadu afie no pa you he if Igbo ga watch wan ga go wan you wadu eke nonsense then when I see that something me boy me ban I was highly disappointed. Wadu ya kwere that was war. Is what you beg you wa yo. You worry once at creativity and creative me so. O wa jerio o magbeda na do ati agbera gbiye be social media na do ati eboni no kian ati eboni no de. We understand. Why do ati eboni no kian? Why do ati eboni no de? O hamu wa. I mean not dion wa mean wa dien wo. But the fact is that where the reason why the natie bonu wa na makeke ni atie bonu wa mwedo gbotok gbene wa be mu mak gbotok gbene wa mwegbu wa gbotok gbene wa fole gbu wa hand ne una follow na self hand na okwo back where ye everi oni okwo back where ye everi muna give me that phone muna play that thing for me again okwo back where ye everi if you be my mama I swear to Almighty God I will flog you. You know, try na. Wa mo fun oni me wa go me yan. Ibi agbon wa go managbon. Wa go managbon. Ijo ma na kina o. Wa go ijo ma. Rude live video. Bame live video. Bame live video. Bame live video. Because of live. See, Bame live video. Because of live video. Bame live video. Wabere. Bame live video. Wabere. Obohoma. Wabere. Bame live video. On the name of live video. Rudaitu ezuo na hinia. Rudaitu was with live video. Iyo managmo. Person mama. Person mama. Na be that. If my mama try am. Asa oba we la oji meti we gbe iwe rian na. The live video. The live video. Ibi edo. Wa eye nwa we. Wa eye nwa we. Wa wari ya mi ya fefefe wa mwe traditional wa fie ya wiriye wa fie traditional wiriye wa be traditional wa do wa won do wa we ye nwa we do wa mo do wa ye nwa we do wa we mo do wo ha gi odu wa we gu wa gon wa na azu of social media we na wa we ye nwa we. All of you all are all living fake life. Fake life is why I live never but fear kun le luwa. When why am ye dog boto, e river boy ya fear kun le luwa one by one. No wa o ho a. E dok back be arrest when you wa ba tie bo be do. E hwe mu wa. E hwe mu wa. Alla the social media do akio. Now God now go punish all of una. Wala wadia. Since we ame mi agbonu wa u, we ame mi agbonu wa ta. O magbera, ogun okin agbere Monica, ogun ogbije Monica, ogun okin agbe bati ye baika, ogun okin agbere baika, ogun okin agbe ba be ti no pai. Ere stelesi, ogun okin agbe stelesi. O magbera ogun okin agbe nogi, ogun okin agbe nogi, o mafo. Eri awo ke no ge ye no pa eri awo ke no ge ya buje yi nwunu gbo ma ya gi ma no wa anowe agi wa ho ari no wen eri di mofi wona ogun kin agbere di mofi ogun kin agbeje di mofi magi we ma no we mama no we mama gi wo hu ogun kin agbere ivie ni vie ogun kin agbe vie ni vie o ma no we mama gi wo hu oni emi ni ma un wado tamima wado mama mi ma un wado tamima ona oni emi ni ma un wado mama iba boy fie kun le lu wa ya wa go ogo wa eso I wala the message to go message e get one stupid girl we I don't even know am before I don't know where he dey where she for come I don't dey go with those people because e be abi kin anihin aba agbaka maka emelele div social media abi kian me surprise ni nege wa we gbon la I think about 2 weeks ago abi a week ago we message to go I don't know before I don't know wetin concern me concern am well e just think say o yen o me wazo obi yes me zo obi ni yezo ati wazo ko gbe we odado gan we no ya zo so ezo orin ni o ni ya de we understand. Nega ni ke me message to go. It might when you're there. It might be inside there. It might be tear there where it might be where you have mwela dem. Mozwa. It was message to so person. No. I be big boy, big fish. Anya me no wa ye gbagbe. Yes, I be a big past what's a shark. I be big fish. Man understand? So wala amo one is one meti guwa azuo. Idi gbagbe ne. You understand? Emaniti me daddy bungbe. Wama understand me? Sama eti ado agwoz one is wo. Imase yo wo be mi mo na be yimi ame. Wa yimi ame ba weri ye yame we saga. Okay. You understand? I don't imam send there. I don't send them. stand egene di mo fina bezuo egene ri obedo imi am e ma send there no when you ma mu me ma de send yin at abi oge gati obukan you be senior man no me say I not pass you so ezuo wa ya zuo ozuo wa hu the very day you start stagger bully people on social media you are a madman or you are a mad woman. So unuwa with social media mena ho we atemegua obuwa with social media mena me we arovia be nigi ni regua abu inogi abigi abu hunori abu runori vie regua unuwa with social media mena me we arovia unuwa with same social media ni mena me we aroviobo same unuwa with social media ni mana be miewe atiebo ni kadele ni maya dedo yi wa mi bie wo be no tiebo no ginya be ri oni ba bo fie kun le luwa wa bozuwa wa kyokyo wa azuo wa gogoyo ezuo wa zuo nana okwo ba ku eye ewu epu e la dian be social media oba we gete re o ma kama we stretch ma kiro wo ni we ke lapu e lapi wo ye jaka de lapi we jaka no we adu mu manual no we here do mu mama be social media no magi wo ho a mama gi wo ho ma no we aro ye talk less of one you answer when it we do awe epu e wa ko well Kenorobia well, ya boss you are a whole element. Oh, when Wamana bow now with social media now, I will continue insulting you people until we are banning. Wagwa message to that one, message to this one, message to this one, message to that one. We are with social media never bofia kunliluwa one by one. From year to year, month to month, I mean your panel wala jam with social media don't no make sense. Enough the message on my message to that one ogun we not back. And the worst part of your social media may not do me where no ma bien ramwebo or ramwebo mo gbe no bien. Social media may not do me where agati o ma gan. Social media may not do me where agati ebo mo no mo we no ma gbe omo. Ora gbe omo na gbe omo where again. Ati e no where aga uwe ya babo fie kun le luwa ehu wa ti wa la den ehu wa be ze dia wan for once do wa di ono wa jare go ya hu e be se meti wa ya pale wa ya hu any name na whatever abu ho ya down wa o be social media wa ya hu e ku awari ma we no wa wa do ya kiokio no anu wa gwo wa bagbon verima wa berima eva ba no rekete ni verima won gi magbonu ye ni na na ti oba this time na won gi mata oba eva ba ma ti e ona gi ani oba look ma oba this na oba to se berima ma ti oba ma won gi magbonu ye ni awe baba no rekete ma ti awe baba o mo no we ka we baba no understand the way ya ge kinogun ari. Udatu wazuwa be social media mi no magi wata ami me panu wa mata ikadele maya dedoyi u waro wi ya o ma be capture onsa o ma kan wa kan be social media u waro wi be social media udatu wazuwa era magisa mano u wa udatu wazuwa bati abere babo o nya wa bunveri yo no wa mairo wie we social media ero rodatu wazuo enigi bedo ni maya dedo yi wo wa ro wie ya ane bono ne atie bedo hin agbeluwa wa hon amen wa ma tie bona ovieru wa mi wa de social media do aso wa ma ke va ni pa wa ri ba ila la wa ri ge ovieru wa ri ba ila la ge o ma agbon be social media wa ma do e ri wa pa Wari bailala wariri. Bailala iga de social media. Wa gbina yina rudeme nu wa yunu wa dozu of social media. And wa man gbogbo wa ni gbinana. Ema bu ni gbime we saga ni maheme. Iya maheme. They don't know me. Ema wa bunya message to go me face to face. Am I him there? I me message to. And you don't know me. Even me now, so look baby guy kiri. Oma wagaru okpa. Oma wagaru okpa do. Wa understand? Wa izuo fone wa gimae. Emeru gwala nu wa munya ovege ni ru gwala. Emeru gwala gi fone wonu wa. Me magi ho. Wa ge fo wa continue. Oma keke no fo ema wa continue emeru gwala. When one I boy, you are above your kunle wire one by one. Why can we continue? Why stop? Why over? Eru wala do that, eru wala do this, eru wala do that, eru wala do this one. Oh, why stop? Why you continue? Why get why you go? But only my way, make it. Only my way never make it. Only my way stop it. Or must stop it destiny. Or must stop it. No boy ever me. Uwa waria ni wa kenkan. Waria ni wa mari ma we eti yigo divai ni gbe. Waria ni wa must stop it nege eti gba ogo mo. Waria ni wa must stop it nege eti de gbe zo gagabu. Ni yewe mo. Egbo e ma ni we mo ni abun se we no ni ria ni wa. So my beg when people are wasting your time. My wala de or my me de ma hon de. So de by beti wa kam wa when nya hu gbe ogboma. Understand? O tin wa no ma keke no wa bule ma berio. Ruda tin wa yan he. Understand? So if you have fe no wata be social media no wado ya na gbo wa no wado ya na ma no. Wa na bi gbo, wa na bi yoba, wa na bi ebo bi ebu wa na. Ruda wa na bi ebo bi yan agaju wa hu vio. Wa bo fi ekun le luwa. No wa ya ri ogo ne gbo wa no wa ko aseto egbo wa wo egbe. E mata adereveri ano te keke do yan ti egbin ya bere ni aseto ebu egbo wo wa fu ye bere no wa ya aseto ebu egbe wa de social media no gun gbelu wa. Ibi e do so ka o. Ewe so wo ewe we bi e de so. Ewo ibi e do ni zo of social media so wo. Eika. Ibi e do so ni zo of social media so wo. Eika. We bi e da eso wo ni zo wo. Ruda ezuo e wazuo. I beg me aron pa on iri be na wetin do appreciate word of God on my Bible ladia. On us appreciate word of God. They will make go with message to a star talk show from Bible to Ogun. On na bolofo. Okuna no ve ladia we do wetin do bu ma dey mana bi age from ude no do bu ma ni ana ki message to love the audience love it ni ba bo fi ekun le luwa bi ni audience love it. Maybe go be na be ladien again only way to we mass masses highs of masses abi masses of whatever dada masses o masses on awin be ti egbin yen wetin yen be do bu ma de oni na bere opa na be ladien wetin yen do kin we von no ga fi piro ni an se ti ona yi o ga fi piro no wa we ne sugusugu kin yen lega o wetin yen do fi piro ona ba bia feel ikpigo the social sorry o wetin do kin we von o do we remember we message to retire mi omo no do ogun ira mu gbere retire mi mu gbiye retire mi from there ikpigo ira feel the social media ai ga zo bo negie o wa ya buzz wa iba bo fi ekun le lo wa de Facebook veri ego no wa be se meme no wa meme yi no no wa with idea bomu. That woman you will carry your kpekus come out for social media they show the whole world na message I can't give you if you be my mama I bet I go take beat you you are a bet you work boy because you met is woman wezu oni lalai ruda to zo social media o da do awepo ewa iwe mana titi iwe yi mata ni awon iwe ni ave lobo a My mama go come out for social media, come dey open lap. If my sister try and ya agbe wa my where iyi me. Do ake lapi wa na gbon be mi abere we, ni an re we. Do wa modo, wo je single modaria. Wo sun ya. No ana do akiokio. Bia ye agba lok bia to bia ye mu we nu we rizu na ne bia ye mu a. No that was wo social media. Social media to si meme. Mana ni sun e nekpo won wa de ti ma ya dio wa ya ne ma wiki ne ma rieting we saga. Be ni menu go ye me ti le larun pa we saga ese. Agbo ya fefe me go we saga igwo wa ya wa gwo wa. Abomu wa. Ede mode ya we social media judgment. If atimi a sentence of if me a sent of going to social media hanging. Ede gbe we social media. Wa be aye won we wa han. Aba boki awe Fulani yes women, Fulani yes men. Me na me be we bu dia be me be do. We na me be do dia be we bu. Awe Fulani yes women. Wa gloriary wa ya gwo wa. Una no come out for social media, can't teach us something wey make sense. Can't teach our children wetin they no know. You no pass message to. Later una from message to una come dey open una kpokos. Akaga yo kwa. Ga ya a matured woman like this, idiot. Matured woman. When no one went out here born no, mateka kite here born no egwu sister. A matured woman like this, so we have to for that matter. Abolo. Kiame la dia. I imagine you may try my mama go try this kind of nonsense. Who does that? You may try nonsense now go I beg. Who does that? You make mama go crazy like this. You may be your man agbona kina o. Person mama. Rebia agboro wedo rivinye gbeno de. Mommy, you never see person wey chop. Anyway, shawa gaso dobo. Rivinye rivinye me mani gbeno de. Mwe no nya we ezo bona mu. Won ye ko mommy. A nonsense ni ogbagbe. Wa be ya se dia stop egbe so won wa la yo so boy mi wa ni bi edo wa stop ezuo na ona esu wa e presenter ezuo wa hin o wa zuo oh I am a live video presenter. You are not a live video presenter. To zuo be live video a live video we presenter. You are always zuoing you are a zuonalize who was zuo understand o wa zuo ezuo wa zuo e to wa present. Why me we present? How can you come out on social media? No, hey, ogun kin agbere no pa, ogun gbiye no pa, hey, ri owo kin no pa mo ko yupo we awo ti we present me. Who present me ro pa? Us working. Who was wo is wo lo wa. So, always wo na ya fefe marigwa lo na wa ban. Academy so no ragbu na ye president social media. The Agbedes president in social media. Who wa ya zuo, ezuo ru wa ya hu. Wa zuo fone wa be gima e wa worry wa ho. Wa continue wa zuo. E video na ya keep e. Ya keep a video na. O ho no ga 50 years come dey do opo na so agba no to say we say ya keep a video na ya mo ho na. Wa understand? O we yan ye no ko come of whatever. Ya mwe picture na ya mwe video na ho ozuo no ozuo ozuo no we understand there's war enyu gbunyi mani ave fans ore if you know say you be this woman fans wakama wa share video me ge wakama wa wu gota we ozuo you ye gbe many robie because unyime no nyini unyima to si no bidua ubeme no huhua no obidua we understand so nyime no nyi iwa bo fiekun le lu wa bozwa wa ya ibiaka la dia ya ibiaka de gege la de pisaba kia va fiege ku awe ku ya de fien ni no yebe na imi ka ku omo ado afiege be la video fien akipa be tu du yo mo no se no mo ye gba nene o be la dia be va fiege e wa ge la pime o e la pime ma sina ri gbe erije boy gele we be de ye boy no ro na ye boy we take ke we me we gbe o wenu na a lady friendly many when baby me we ye boy no na baby many e me te ro ni ati tama we ye boy be la ye boy na do afie ge enwe no enwe we no ye ni lepro no ye ni leprosy mu nu ye fi di bottle do afie ge be la video e kyo nikinia that's a kyo patetin denu na e shashiki me ya we ni nyo we nyetun mwe baby me we kinia e we back better wo na iwa was this e we mulade ono na yin ti awa mari akan ere e kiro iwa kekere na wa begari akan na wa bege gile we no azufin adasan okwo ba we yo na madin ye boy wa bozua e wanu gbanado ami ewe o sa tin we o eri okwo eri wa mina bi wa yu me ma meku ene egile na do agume we mi odo ba me be de gile na mo bo mo we o bi ere sun kian bo ya da yi e ame to ga li eke vi o edun wa fe ku social media me na do mi wa okwedo kole nene mi atokpe o ekia wa me gbagbe sowe yo bo pa temu si mwebo oya rie yo wa afia kun mwebe di ma ewe gun na ni o we ode yo a we social media wa ya lori ari I go punish all of una na the mad wazu of one wa gima o na mi bi ugo odogu akataka small boy we no fear lion small boy we use pattern brush teeth oga we no dey fear kalamo wa wa gbon wa boss wa agbelu wa pai amagbera message to if you message to me I don't fucking send you. I don't know if you are existing. I don't even know you. Message to go. I don't know you. I don't know whether you dey exist. I don't know whether you dey talk, whether you even dey there. Like you go talk, go reach next 10 years. I don't fucking know you. I don't care. Your own not be my own. You dey talk for social media. Was of a social media. Was of a social media marry my world, man. You are stopping my destiny. I'm a moving train where you are stopping me of not moving. Yo, you are going to go me where as well of a social media. Like ozubuni not here, but no one. You okay? Zuo you zuore. Orun na buwa bawa. Ona abele hotel, ba hotel. Egeto ni kabaka. Ona abe hotel. Ona bele hotel ba hotel ero wo kan no a iro papa ni ya da ya sore no ya yeko no ya lode ma yeko lode mare ole wan ya si serve aduro a pay we no taye for 2 years e wa ya ti gada ego ni bo ba duro for 2 years oya gada ego de obaduro uke ti dayasi ni in 2 years ma ye we kiregbe we akioki of social media orun adi moto nya o di moto nya moto popa no escort e kian wan we are Nigeria keke na pe we layo lare e to te keke nu wata ge gbugwa nu weta ge gbugwa we yes fake life na kina oge kinu wa total wa focus no wa be yebe na rian excursion ve lele hin wow more na everyone we want get money like Bobby's wife. In fact, I want to get money past Bobby's wife. We are over to at Bobby's wife. We live video. We don't know we are Nigerian and live. It can happen more. You move where? No, we are here born at the other. Yes, yes. All the moto moto. Or he could and a soldier velele. Agbelo is a chair. Baba swallow, Baba bay. Swallow Baba be a bullet of packet of Zeva only go to him. When a never put it down or Akio live video. Wow, be swallow Baba be do what I'm winner. What call it a back and a plow. Do what there the motor na baby company kabaka manasu abo. What big glass of a window. Don't even so about the back when you are live. Mba ohwa agbelu wa pai. I use dog now. I use beg dog now. Moku na come for social media. Work by social media, the wage with social media. Waya wala wadia. Iba bofie kunle lo wa. Wa ohwa. Eru wari taju re wana rovi taju agmota wana rovi agbo we taju awa wa me taju ze you wa. Why? Because not be social media type. When I go up down, a silent is the best answer I give it to a fool. Or to was war, man, say you why. Why go? I will walk by. I will the deal at the social media. Be do for that matter. The DV do la dead one yan a boy. Why go? It's why you ni one. I will do Nigeria my lala. Will walk by. Why are you gonna do one? Wa manari ogone do mare mana no bi agwo ogwa wazwa God punish you na be message to